taking Rolling Daytona to a whole nother level. Not only can you win the trips to Daytona Bike Week and the Harley-Davidson Street Glide motorcycle, the $5,000 gift card, the wristbands to camp up in Sturgis at the Full Throttle Saloon's Pappy Hoel campground, the Bertello pizza oven, all kinds of great prizes. But every single person that registers to win Rolling Daytona is automatically qualified to win Rolling Austria, a 5-night trip to European Bike Week in September. You'll fly into Milan, Italy. You'll spend the night there. Our great friends at EagleRider will provide the motorcycles. You go on a guided tour through the Alps, and you drop down into Austria to experience one of the greatest events ever, European Bike Week, happening in September. So get out to the dealership, register to win Rolling Daytona today. Hit that QR code, increase your chances to win by gaining keywords and checking in with Rolling Daytona. Pow!